It's finally here! The official public version of Android 11 is heading out to Pixel phones as we speak, and this is shaping up to be a nice refining year for Android. Not a radical departure from Android 10, more a collection of quality of life improvements and a few more tools for users to manage their info and privacy. Jumping right in, here are my 5 favorite new features on Android 11. Number 1, better selection tools and screenshot options. Yes, you can still press the volume rocker and power button like some kind of plebe, but now we have new tools built into the multitasking view. First, that new screenshot preview is super clean, but now multitasking view gives us even more options to work with content. We can screenshot from one simple gesture getting into multitasking instead of a multi-button press. And the text selection mode here is a little less fiddly than the old long pressed for selection option we used to use. Number 2, every phone can do this, so it's really just time for native screen recording. All of the samples for this video were recorded on my Pixel 4a. Dock the control in your quick settings, select whether you want to record audio off the mics or the audio output from the phone, and go to town. It's just nice to finally have this as a native feature in Android. Number 3, much cleaner organization for messages. This is a trend I love watching evolve. From Android 10 to 11, we get a cleaner category for messages in our notification shade. Without making it a standalone app or using a third-party widget or launcher, we're getting closer to the multi-service messaging single-panel view just by using our normal notification shade. Think about the widgets or the launcher on a BlackBerry, combining several different messaging applications into one single-panel view. We can replicate some of that functionality in the location that we're used to looking for alerts and notifications. Number 4, single permissions for privacy access. Let's say you want to test drive an app that might use your location, the microphones, or cameras on your phone. On Android 11, you can tell your phone to give an app access to those features once and then reconfirm access again the next time that app tries to use that hardware. Better access alerts for consumers not taking those permissions for granted, and they can kind of be nag screens, but this is better disclosure for phone users. Better still, if you don't use an app for a while, it'll nag you about permissions you gave the app in the past. And number 5, this one's a little bit silly, but it's this kind of stuff which bugs me about different ways that phones organize our stuff. One of the core strengths of Android is the ability to customize. So this is super small, but it's an appreciated touch that when you drop 2 app shortcuts together to make a folder, Android 11 will try and predict a good folder name for those apps. It's not mission critical, it's cute, and it mostly gets the prediction right. I wasn't expecting it to name a folder with PowerDirector and KineMaster video editors, but on the whole, it's pretty accurate. Just a nice little touch to help us keep our home screens clean. And that's where we're gonna wrap this up. Lots of little tweaks and adjustments I really appreciate, like wireless connections docked at the top of the settings menu, but keeping a simple overall settings view which doesn't waste as much space as many third-party launchers. And there's definitely more we could dig into. Are there other new features in Android 11 that you're looking forward to? Maybe the enhanced options for controlling home-connected devices, improved smart replies and more apps on the phone, better tools for sharing content to different screens. Are you looking forward to finding your friends while using Live View in Google Maps? It's some fun stuff to talk about. Drop some comments down below and share your top 5 list, and I think we'll have a fun chat while we wait for more phones to jump on this Android 11 bandwagon. As always, thanks so much for watching, for sharing these videos, subscribing to the channel. Supporting your favorite content creators has never been more critical than it is today, so I definitely appreciate those of you who do scan down through the links underneath all of my videos. Maybe check out my merch store, as that helps prevent me from needing to pack every video I make with sponsorships and baked in ads. You can always check out the support page on SomeGadgetGuy.com, or you might consider joining the list of names scrolling by on your screen. It's a growing community of fun, like-minded tech pals, a huge resource for me as I'm planning future videos and reviews. They're super cool people, so I hope you'll check them out. Now, you know where you can find me around the rest of the internet at SomeGadgetGuy on the Twitters and the Twitch, and the Facebooks and the Instagrams. And I will catch you all on the next video.